Manvish Info Solutions Private Limited is the leader in providing quality sales, solutions, support and training for Tally software over the past 12 years with more than 20,000 satisfied customers. Manvish is the Master Tally Partner for software sales, authorized Tally Academy for quality training and also the official service provider in the state of Kerala. Manvish was founded in the year 2000 by Mr. Mohan Tamburan, who is an MBA graduate and a professional turned entrepreneur, took up the challenge to lay the foundation stone for setting up a software development center for all business purpose. Tally was the most preferred accounting software and there were only a few qualified people providing Tally packages.
We started our journey 10 years back as a small company selling software solutions. 10 years down the line, we have become the preferred IT partner for many large-scale industries as well. This organization has become a team of 60 vibrant young minds, all of them work in different departments, different divisions. We basically work as an IT partner to any industry, right from identifying their requirements to solution development. We have various divisions. One of the prime important division is training division, where we train the customers as well as the job seekers, and we develop the skills on Tally platform as well as on computer knowledge. The other division which we talk about is R&D, where we develop solution, customized solution specifically for industries, manufacturing industries and process-based industries. We develop solutions for integrating devices with Tally.ERP9. We also develop integration platform for SAP, Oracle and other ERP-based systems. We develop solutions for integration with biometric devices. We automate the process industries, basically for manufacturing process, and we have several other unique solutions.
Manvish started its venture as a training center for Tally in 2000 at Alua to cater the demand for a high-quality training center for accounting professionals. Till today, the Academy has trained more than 5,000 students and placement assistants to many. This is the authorized Tally Academy as well as authorized seeded center for Government of Kerala approved computer courses. In 2001 became authorized Tally Academy. 2002 became authorized Tally Partner for sales and support. 2006 became a private limited company with 6 new members who were the key to the growth of the company. 2010 official Tally service partner. In the same year, official Tally integrator. In 2012 official Tally extender, and in the same year, in the month of October, first official TDL training center in the state of Kerala. Manvish was also awarded as the #1 partner for sales in the state of Kerala.
Myself, Sutish Nair, taking care of business development. I'm proud to talk about the esteemed organization Manvish Info Solutions Private Limited. We Manvish certified as Master Tally Partner, Tally Service Provider, Tally Integrator, Tally Extender, and Tally Academy. And also we certified as Dell Registered Partner for providing higher-end server solutions designed for particular customer requirements. And we Manvish is the one Master Tally Partner in the world introduced e-commerce portal for our business for providing unique solutions to all type of industries at best price. And also we introduced job portal called seekjobs.com for providing Tally non-experts to the companies across the world. Company can search and find out right persons from seekjobs.com. There, students and all other Tally non-persons can register their resumes in the website.
In a short span of time, Manvish could become the trusted IT partner for major industries like Indus Motors, Kerala Ayurveda Limited, OEN India Limited, Elora Paints, Walmax Paints, Metal Industries Limited, FACT RCF Limited, and many more. And our customer base for SME segments would be more than 12,000 by now. The Corporate Training Center of Manvish Info Solutions is an authorized Tally Training Center, Government of Kerala approved seeded computer training center. The faculties are well qualified and have got industry level experience. The center has best infrastructure. The syllabus is as per industry requirements. About 250 students study here every year. Manvish provides placement assistance through our own portal www.seekjobs.net.
We Manvish basically in end-to-end ERP system implementation in the trusted platform of Tally ERP. We have established Manvish Direct Associates in all the states and across the world for providing unique solutions in Tally ERP. The frequently asked question, what is ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. That means you can control all your resources of the organization using Tally ERP 9. It is possible to have complete automation in Tally ERP by integrating Tally with other softwares, database, device, web servers, and automated industrial machines. It is also possible. In fact, we Manvish proudly say that nothing is impossible in Tally ERP. So, whatever may be your requirement, we can implement in Tally ERP. What you have to do is consult your problems with us. We have unique solutions for you.
Manvish Info Solutions Private Limited has entered into the e-commerce platform for reaching out to customers who are looking for convenience to buy specific features that are not available in standard Tally software. The portal www.manvishonline.in is unique with many customer-friendly options. We also provide customer support for our customers. We at Manvish aim to deliver our best services and explore the opportunities of tomorrow.